Welcome to a video where I'm going to walk you through the way that you can generate QR codes through our Roomvo Pro platform for all of your samples and marketing needs. It's an easy and simple way to get QR codes onto your products, which launch directly to the Roomvo visualizer on your website. Let's get started. Once you've logged into Roomvo Pro, either through the roomvo.com website or directly, you'll have a menu similar to this. And if you haven't already explored all of the functionality and controls that you have for your Roomvo products, please feel free to have a look and see what you can do. From here, we're going to navigate to this menu item called QR codes. The first step of this process is to customize the look and appearance of the stickers which you would like to generate. So you can see this live in the page for this particular example. I can show you, for example, I can turn on a logo, I can turn off a brand name, I could turn on collections, and so on. So you have a lot of flexibility and control to configure these as you would like them to be printed and as you would like them to see them in your store. Once you're satisfied and happy with this, you can press Continue Setup. Once I continue through this, the second step here is what we call verifying your visualizer setup. This is an important step where we're going to confirm that we accurately point to a part of your website where Roomvo can launch. And so you can either scan the QR code on this sticker with your mobile device, or you can click it like a button. That will launch your website. And if you have the experience that I have here where the Roomvo visualizer launches, this is correctly configured and you can proceed. If that doesn't launch, then please click on the Does Not Work button, which opens another window where you can change the link to a correct one. For the purposes of this demo, of course, this works. I can select that it works and move to the next step. In this step, you can now select the products that you would like to generate images for your QR codes. You can select as many as you'd like, and we've included a search filter so that you can, for example, search by the SKU or product name or whatever else you might be looking for to identify the specific products that you would like your stickers for. I'm going to select all of these to show you this. Once I have selected as many stickers as I would like, I can review my selected products just to make sure that I have all the ones I would like to generate, and you can select this Get Your Stickers button. On the right-hand side, you'll see a success notification as we start processing your QR code sticker. This will start the sticker generation process on our back end. What you're going to next receive is an email. That email will include a link to a zip archive, which contains all of the images, individual images for the QR codes that you just generated. And that email will also include some instructional steps should you wish to get them printed through a printing company that we've worked with in the past to detail that. I hope you can see this is a really easy process. We're looking forward to seeing your samples bringing the power of visualization into the store.